We've been shooting. Oh, I can't see you there. See that now. I can't see you at all.
It's alright.
Yes, because I need some bum stuff. Ever since I got my boobs done, I was just forgot about my booty. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's really done. I'm just going to stop it because I can't see it. It's like black. Yes. It's fine in the light. Okay, I should give someone else the light.
Oh, is it? Told you that, babe.
Yeah, that's it. You can put it down now. Look at me. Put your hand back on your chin or on your face. Yeah. That's correct.
They're really cute. I love them.
I like them. I don't have no candid pictures.
Oh, we got plenty. Like.
Yeah, when I'm pulling my face. Not nice ones.
Oh my gosh, these wops needs to stop coming in. That's not okay.
They heard you.
Ooh, I was like, yes.
It's
She
like an
sounds like
animal,
she's
man.
gonna kill me.
Say something funny again.
Why? It's all out.
Yeah. Keep that. Scoot back a bit.
This feet
Yeah, if you get a bigger.
sweat. They're just pulling it.
Perfect.
That is pretty. I like that. It's cute.
Yeah.
Stay like that. See this toe?
Really nice. Point your toes there.
Yeah. Like that.
Yes. Love that. Wow. That's really nice. See, you got the boys on point. Them toes are on point. Yes.
I used to do ballet.
I used to when I was little.
I hate that. Hell out of it. But I miss ballet. I stopped doing it because I was like, I don't like what anyone to do. Alright. This one did come in handy. Oh, yeah, I like No, I like it still. Oh, I like the one when I'm smiling, even though no one actually made me laugh. I just smile for the sake of smiling. Oh no, I like that. Thank you!
Is there anything you'd like to say, Shan? Tell camera. Tell us.
Well, actually, yes, come let's have a dual review. So today's day one, and how many outfits? I've done like 3 outfits. Going great so far, but I'm taking a break because it's too hot. But no, yeah, so far so good. Great vibes, great people. Can't wait to see what else happens.
Yes. Just don't be back. We are out here.
Yes, we are living it up.
Right. Ooh. let's go. I am being the light engineer for today's shoot. We are doing a villa shoot today. We've already done a couple of outfits. I can't show you too much, but you know. And now we shooting Simone outside by the pool with Unique. We doing the most, huh? We doing the most.
I don't do much talking, I just use this. So,
Let your pictures do the talking.
this is
That's
my
what he
phone.
said. He said what he said.